Transforming standard IKEA pieces into bespoke boutique vanities requires blending modular versatility with custom finishes. Achieve an elevated sanctuary by integrating stone countertops, fluted paneling, and metallic hardware. These sophisticated hacks optimize spatial efficiency while delivering a curated, high-end visual appeal. Discover how strategic modifications turn everyday furniture into a professional-grade dressing area, blending practical luxury with modern convenience for your refined contemporary home. Number 1. Install custom stone vanity countertops. Elevate the standard floating Godmorgan cabinet by replacing the original laminate top with a custom-cut Carrara marble slab. This modification instantly bridges the gap between mass-produced furniture and bespoke cabinetry. By installing an undermount ceramic sink and choosing a sleek floor-to-ceiling backsplash, the vanity gains a weightless architectural presence. The stone's natural veining provides a unique focal point that defines the boutique aesthetic. This hack works because it prioritizes high-impact materials where they are most visible. It enhances visual appeal through texture contrast, while maintaining the modular efficiency that makes IKEA's internal drawer system so functional. Number 2. Apply vertical fluted wood paneling. Transform the ubiquitous Alex drawer units into a high-end vanity base using vertical fluted wood panels. By wrapping the drawer fronts in thin oak slots, you introduce a rhythmic texture typical of luxury hotels. Mount a thick wooden desktop across 2 units to create a seamless, expansive dressing station. This solution solves the problem of generic office-like appearances by adding organic warmth and depth. The tactile surface hides fingerprints and adds a sophisticated shadow play under soft lighting. It improves functionality by providing vast storage, while the tactile finish ensures the piece feels like a custom designer commission. Number 3. Integrate perimeter LED mirror backlighting. Upgrade a simple IKEA mirror by building a custom recessed frame with integrated LED strip lighting. This hack solves the issue of harsh overhead shadows while creating a high-end boutique glow. The soft, indirect light mimics professional studio environments, enhancing skin tones and making the vanity area feel like a dedicated beauty sanctuary. By mounting the mirror slightly forward from the wall, you create a halo effect that adds depth to the room. This enhances visual appeal by making the vanity the focal point of the suite, while providing superior functional lighting for daily grooming rituals. Number 4. Combine Enhet units with marble. Reimagine the Enhet open shelving system by cladding the metal frames with thin marble or stone panels. This hack addresses the industrial look of the base units by introducing classic, heavy materials. Use the open shelving for display-worthy items while keeping the countertop clear for a boutique feel. The juxtaposition of thin black metal lines with solid white marble creates a striking contemporary aesthetic. It improves functionality by keeping frequently used items accessible yet organized. This approach works perfectly in smaller spaces where closed cabinetry might feel too heavy, offering a breathable but luxurious storage solution. Number 5. Retrofit designer brass hardware plinths. Elevate standard IKEA cabinetry by adding custom brass plinths and matching oversized hardware. Replacing the standard toe kick with a reflective metallic base gives the vanity a jewelry feel, common in bespoke high-end interiors. This solution lifts the visual weight of the furniture, making it appear custom-built for the space. Choose heavy, solid brass handles to provide a tactile sense of quality every time a drawer is opened. This enhances visual appeal through metallic accents that catch the light, transforming a basic unit into a sophisticated piece of furniture that anchors the entire bathroom or dressing room. Number 6. Create symmetrical dual Godmorgan islands. Construct a luxury dressing room island by joining 2 Godmorgan units back-to-back and topping them with a single large stone slab. This hack solves the lack of central storage in large closets while providing a professional boutique retail aesthetic. The island becomes a functional hub for planning outfits and storing jewelry. By adding decorative side panels that match the countertop, the transition between units is hidden, creating a monolithic, expensive appearance. It improves flow by creating a central focal point, offering 360-degree access to drawers, while maximizing the vertical space in the center of the room. Number 7, apply tinted glass drawer inserts. Enhance the transparency of your vanity storage by replacing standard drawer fronts with custom-cut fluted or tinted glass panels in a slim frame. This hack mimics the high-end display cases found in designer boutiques, allowing a glimpse of curated contents like watches or makeup. This solves the problem of visual clutter by obscuring the details of the items while maintaining a light, airy aesthetic. It improves functionality by making the vanity feel less bulky in small rooms. Glass adds a layer of reflection and luxury that standard solid fronts cannot achieve, elevating the piece into a showcase. Number 8. Hide power strips within vanity drawers. Resolve the clutter of tangled cords by installing a hidden power station inside the deep drawers of an IKEA vanity. By using a cable management arm and a flush-mounted power strip, you can store and use hair dryers or electric toothbrushes without ever seeing a wire. This hack maintains the clean, boutique aesthetic of the countertop, keeping it free of tech clutter. It improves functionality by providing an organized charging hub that streamlines morning routines. The visual appeal is enhanced through a minimalist, cord-free environment that emphasizes the beauty of the design rather than the utility of the appliances. Your dream boutique vanity is just a few clever modifications away. Transform your space into a high-end sanctuary with these modular tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.